Hello, hello, hello. What's up, everybody? It's She Nurses. I nurse, it's what I do. But I'm going to bring you that tea to now, real quickly. Your girl has just been running like the road runner around here, okay? So the goal today is to put out at least 3 videos because I'm really behind on like everything. I'm behind in life. But yeah, so I was going to put out some videos yesterday, but I had so much going on. I just happened to remember that summer classes started on June the 1st. Just instantly caught a migraine, just trying to get my books, trying to get everything I needed for my classes. Even started doing homework. I'm about 9 assignments behind right now because summer session is only 4 weeks long. So we have like 6 assignments due every 2 days. So yeah, caught a migraine and I just could not upload any videos. So I said, okay, we'll try it again tomorrow. So here I am. The goal is three videos, depending on how long my editing takes. But this video in particular is going to be about Kwame. You know, a lot of people have been putting out videos and just following this Kwame Brown situations that's been going on with him and giving their input. And I said, you know what, you can still talk about it. Just make sure you add some type of value to the conversation. And that's why I love, listening to Lovely T, because she's not in a rush to put out her videos. She really kind of waits and sits on it a couple of days. Then her and her team will go out and do some research, get some screenshots, recordings, and everything she puts out is still just as valuable as the person that put it out a week before her. And it's just, love it. So quality, not quantity, not how fast you can put it out. It still matters because they know that you'll have something to add to the conversation, even if it's not right after the video. You know what I mean? So everybody knows by now what's going on. Kwame is out here swinging and banging with everybody. Do you hear me? Stephen A. Smith done lost his damn mind. He out here looking just very foolish, like a clown. Like, I ain't never seen nothing like it, y'all. I've never seen somebody that's so easily swayed like that. Like, all it takes is for somebody to get on your head a little bit and you just go all out. And you know what's funny about this Stephen A. Smith situation is that, Kwame is all calm. You can tell his comedic conversation comes naturally. He's calm and he's talking and it's still funny. He's a millennial, by the way. Did not know that. He's a millennial. And Stephen A. Smith is coming out here hollering, getting his blood pressure up, neck veins all popping out. Like, it does not matter. Just because you're louder don't mean that you're saying more. Doesn't mean you're winning the argument. Doesn't mean a damn thing. At the end of the day, you're just yelling, Stephen A. Smith. And we're still waiting on you to answer that question, too. We ain't gonna forget. Go ahead and ask the question, Kwame.
Another question. If somebody gonna get the answer to this shit, I think I'm gonna just tweet you and text you. I don't got Twitter. I'm gonna just put up on all your posts. This is the question I got for you. Why the hell was you at them colleges, boy? I just gotta see your analytics and your data from all the research and all the knowledge that you spread at them colleges.
Kwame Boomaye. Kwame Boomaye. And I'm not condoning violence, so don't get it twisted over here. He's mentally killing you. He's mentally causing y'all anguish. That part. But anyway, so he's going at it with Charlemagne and Becky with the good hair, Matt Barnes, so many others, guys. Y'all know everybody. But anyway, now he's turning his platform around and using it for good, what it should be used for, to recognize the unspoken, unseen heroes, the people that are really out here making a difference. And I love it. That's what we all want to get to, right? We all want to make sure we can contribute something to the conversation. I'm like, this man's name, let's just look up this name. Kwame is an Akan masculine name given among the Akan people, means born on a Saturday. Well, I looked up his birthday. He wasn't born on a Saturday. He was born on a Wednesday. So I'm like, okay, let's just further research this name. Because this man is like, he's very different. And I am, the Bible was real big on names. And I'm big on names. I was like, let's see what this name really means. Kwame Brown. What does Kwame mean? Let's look at it. At this, what happened on the actual day he was born? Something had to happen, because this man is just different. He stands out. Okay, March 10th, first money minted in Hawaii in 1847. Abraham Lincoln applies for a patent, the only president to do so in the U.S. That was 1849. First telephone call on March 10th, 1876. Harriet Tubman, abolitionist, conductor of the Underground Railroad, dies on March 10th. Now that one stood out because he reminds me of someone that's freeing us mentally through the Underground Railroad. You see what I'm saying? That sticks out to me. She passed away on March 10th. He was born on March 10th. That means something to me. I don't know about y'all, but it does. Earthquake in Long Beach, first civilian to exceed speed of sound. Rings of Uranus discovered during occultation of SAO. I just thought that was interesting, but the one that sticks out to me is number 3, okay? Because he's definitely a free thinker. Do you hear me? Definitely a free thinker, and he's wanting everybody to be free thinkers and not be a part of that go along to get along game. See what I'm saying? Makes sense to me. Makes sense to me. All right, let's continue on here. Now, let's see what the meaning says. Kwame, according to the Urban Dictionary. We saw that it meant, in other ethnicities that he was born on a Saturday, but he was born on a Wednesday. Let's look at this Urban Dictionary. A very classy and loyal friend, usually shy, but once he lightens, he is amazing. A great cook with tons of soul. You can't believe how confident he is. But don't take him wrong, he will bite back. He has the best jokes. He loves to plan things out. Has a bright future ahead. He can be awkward, but yet so smooth. People mistake him and assume he is someone he is not. He is not like the other guys. He is not a street boy. He said he's a busty bust, but a classy, loyal, funny, bright young man with a creative mind. And then they give you an example. They use it in a sentence. That girl is lucky to have a Kwame like him. Kwame is the perfect guy. Now, some people, over here pronounce it Kwame, but he pronounces it Kwame. I like that. Does that not describe this guy like almost perfectly? If not perfectly, y'all? Like, what in the world? I just love that definition because from the outside looking in, that's him. That is his definition. Well, y'all better get y'all a Kwame. I already got me one. And he is everything. But yes, y'all. So he been out here swinging and banging. And he told Stephen A. Smith, like, yeah, you coming out here with your HBCU jacket on. Come on out here with your Black Panther gear on. Have that Newport dangling out of your mouth and show us what you're really made of. But so there was an incident that happened the other day. Something happened with the Celtics coach being picked, and he was a white guy, and Stephen A. Smith is trying to blame LeBron James and all these other people about why a black guy didn't supposedly get interviewed for the position as a coach. He done brought up George Floyd. What the hell does George Floyd have to do with this damn coaching of the Celtics? Y'all, when I tell y'all Kwame done rattled this man, he done rattled this man like a salt shaker, just seasoning everywhere. Mama's cooking just done shook his brain matter apart, honey. Stephen A. Smith, I'm going to need you to take some time off. I'm going to need you to find yourself again. I'm going to need you and your wife to sit down, get on your knees at bedside and pray together so you can get your mind back, because it's lost in it, and we the people cannot help you find it. Okay? It ain't no helping you finding that. But y'all, please go check out Kwame Brown's Bust Down Life channel. He had Judge Joe Brown on there going in on people, and he had a new guy on there. I still need to watch this video, but just go on his channel and see what he's doing. Everything that you contribute goes to tennis shoes and sneakers for the underprivileged youth, and he is making a difference. He is speaking louder than anything right now without yelling, having veins popping out of the side of his neck. Stephen A. Smith, just go get a massage like Kwame did. Get a massage, get you a hookah, relax, get somebody to, realign your spine or something, because you're leaning a little bit. Y'all better catch up on the mess, because honey, it's everywhere. And I ain't seen no janitors out here cleaning it up yet, y'all. Go get your fill. Kwame doesn't mind us using his videos for reactions and talking about it. He's like, hey, get your money. I ain't mad at you. But yes, it's getting very interested. And a lot of people were in his chat, Kwame's chat, saying, justice for Jessica Reed. And there's this lawyer that I love to watch. His channel is called The Lead Attorney, and he breaks it down just perfectly. It broke it down perfectly for me about, what does it actually mean that Charlemagne took a lesser charge? What does that mean? What do the cease and desist letters, what they're actually saying to us? Like, really, what's the underlying message to the cease and desist? He breaks that down. And he even talked about, because a lot of people were questioning, saying, can this case be reopened? He even goes over the reopening of the case. I mean, you have to watch The Lead Attorney if you're curious, if you're wondering just what's going on or what could happen, what can happen. I just love the way he broke it down. So please go watch his videos, and you can gain some insight on the Charlemagne case as well. So, and a lot of people have accessed the records and looked at it. I've downloaded it. I hadn't read anything yet, but I plan to, just to see what it says in there, because it is public knowledge. So you guys, I just wanted to touch base on that. So if anything else interesting happens, y'all know your girl will eventually get on it and try to bring some quality, put my own little spin on it. But yes, y'all better get you a Kwame. All right, I love y'all. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe.